Hello, I wanted to walk you through Demio, which is the platform I use for my webinars. I was on a platform called WebinarNinja last year. Look, it's actually a great platform, but it didn't have enough back and forth and feeling like I could really interact with the audience. So I decided to go to Demio. WebinarNinja is a slightly cheaper platform, but webinars is something that I'm really invested in, and I really wanted to have something that would integrate with Eventbrite and also integrate with our CRM, ActiveCampaign, and also be something that I could use that was very interactive and a bit more friendly. So people may have had that feedback that people who came to our webinars last year versus this year, they're really enjoying the fact that it's more engaging and it has cool tools. So I want to just kind of show you through. So this is a behind the scenes. You can see like I've got all of 6 people, but it is in June coming. So here's one here that's Instagram. At the moment there's 56 people registered for it, and I want to just show you what you can do. So you can click on, I'm just going to click on here, and boop, boop, boop. One of the things I really liked about Demio is they give you an opportunity to train on the platform by having a fake live event. So they actually allow you to chat, and they have bots that do fake chatting back, so you can learn how to use it and practice. And that made me feel a lot more confident with using it. So some of the things that you can do, so it also has the past sessions, so you've got all of that data in there, but you can customize it. So to customize it, you can prepare the room. And I wanted to show you this because we actually do a lot of prep in the room here. Ours hasn't been done yet for this, but we have our integrations and things like that, and we can add stuff in. But there is a place that you can upload your presentation materials. That's pretty standard. But in the resources, you can add your handouts. So that's where I put my handouts or my workbooks. But you can also do polls. You can do a featured action, which is one of my favorites, where I can link people to a particular website or our feedback forms and things like that. And they pop up and they can fill it in, and I get all the data. The polls are really useful too. I often use them at the beginning of a session to break the ice and get feedback, and everyone else, you can either have it that everyone can see the results or no one, and it's really easy. The materials there, I just find it a super easy thing to be able to use and enjoy. At the end, it always gives you a great summary. So like with the past sessions, I'll not that one. Let me just go back to one of the other ones that I've got here, and go back to past sessions. Here we go. We'll come down to here. LinkedIn marketing, this one. So if I go onto this one, obviously I'm going to repeat this one so I can duplicate it. But the past session in here, it tells me how many messages, how many people attended, who didn't attend, and it has all that information in there. The other thing I really like about it is it is really easy for people to chat backwards and forwards. You can allow cameras so that you can allow people to come onto the stage and talk and share the cameras. I haven't done it yet, but it is one of my goals. I still develop too and learn, but I do super love this platform. So I wanted to share it with you. If you are someone who wants to build a great presence using webinars, I would highly recommend this platform. I am 100% happy with it. The help is incredible. It's always really quick back. They're really great at following up, and any problem I've had or questions I've had, they've just been able to come back and answer me right away. So I believe this is a really great find for me, and I hope that if you're thinking about doing webinars, it's one that you might use.